Hey guys! It's me, Myra, and this is my son, Isaiah. And we're going to take you with us to our trip to where? Japan!
Japan.
We're here now at Cebu Mactan International Airport because we are flying to Osaka today. Right now, it's, what's the time now? 7:10. Lilipad muna kami to Manila to connect to our flight to Osaka. And our flight is at 8 a.m. Hopefully, hindi siya ma-delay. I hope on time ang flight namin so we can arrive early in Manila. We will update you guys once we are in Manila. See you later. Bye. So right now, we are here at Terminal 3 in Naiya. We just arrived from Cebu. Since connecting flight kami, hindi na kami mag-check-in dito. Our baggage is already checked through all the way to Osaka. So sa Osaka na namin siya kukunin. So, pwede na kami dumiretso ng immigration. Update na lang namin kayo once we're through sa immigration. Hey guys! Nandito na kami sa boarding gate. Ang aga namin kami pa ng tao. So, ayun na nga. Excited na kami. Are you excited?
Japan.
Excited na kami kasi alam mo na, ilang oras na lang dadating na kami sa Japan. And
Japan.
regarding sa immigration, buti na lang, wala masyadong tinanong. Ang tinanong lang sa akin is kailan kami babalik. And then, sa kanya, tinanong siya kung sino daw ako. Of course, sabi niya, Mami. Siguro dahil may travel history na kami, kaya wala masyadong tanong. So, ayun na, this is it! Laban Japan!
Japan.
So, update na lang namin kayo once na nakarating na kami ng Japan. Actually, we're going to meet my sister there and her husband. They're on a honeymoon right now. And nakihitch lang kami. So, Laban Japan. So, see you guys later. We're finally here in Japan! Madali lang naman yung customs and immigration. Kaso lang ang tagal ng baggage namin. Sayang di namin naabutan yung 9:30 na flight. Dito kami ngayon, we will take the Rapi train. And we already got the tickets. I got this sa Klook. And pagdating ko, pinakita ko lang sa kanila yung voucher. And they gave me tickets. Sayang, we're 3 minutes late dun sa 9:35 na ano. Kung di lang kami natagalan sa baggage, baka yun na yung nasakyan namin. And we chose Nankai line. Say bye! See you later when we check in sa hotel. Bye! We're here na inside the rapid train.
Hi.
Are you tired? Kapoy na nak?
Nice.
So this is our hotel room. We are staying at Hearton Hotel Shinsaibashi. For a 3-night stay, I was able to book this for just around 7,700 pesos, inclusive of taxes. It's very affordable considering that it's just a few minutes away from Dotonbori. The subway is also just around the corner. Hotel rooms in Japan are small, but my sister said that our room is more spacious compared to theirs. I didn't regret booking at Hearton Hotel. It is equipped with basic amenities, and the location is right at the heart of Osaka.
Tapos, apat din na egg kamay.
Oh, dalawa amin.
Dalawa, so apat din. Yan lang, that's it.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Ichiran, Dotonbori, para itry itong famous ramen here in Japan. Kasama ko na yung kapatid ko sa Bangko, si Roxanne, and si asawa niya si Janice. Ang dami na makain. Say hi na. Are you excited to try Ichiran ramen? Tom Jones na gutom na kami. Ang cute lang, oh. Meron na ano. It makes it easier. Para maka-understand kung anong kailangan mo. You can make a request without speaking. Now, request ako ng fork kasi hindi marunong gumamit si Alice ng chopstick. But that will do.
前を失礼いたします。お客様、前を失礼いたします。失礼いたします。
Yes.
お待たせいたしました。
Arigatou gozaimasu.
失礼いたします。お待たせいたしました。
Wow, look at that.
失礼いたします。
My first Ichiran ramen. Yes. Myra. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Galing ng Ichiran. Busog na. Busog na, Ice? Are you full? How was Ichiran? We're on our way back to hotel. Ang daming tao. Weekend na kasi. Lahat ng mga cool kids na sa labas. Night out.